What you cooking, Roach? What ya cooking, Roach?
What's up, guys, and welcome to my channel, What You Cooking, Roach. All right, and for those that are new to my channel, welcome. I appreciate the love. Thanks for checking me out. All right, so today we're going to be making some stuffed mushrooms with some lobster and prosciutto. All right, and a little cheddar cheese here. Okay, now this lobster tail I had for Mother's Day. You can check out that video on how I butterflied these, like clicking on the iCard on top. And we got some prosciutto that I got from the cooler aisle in my deli, and we're gonna cut that up in chunks, a few chunks, and we got some cheddar cheese. Okay, and we're gonna get this all together, and we're gonna put a little bit of breadcrumbs on top of that too once we assemble these mushrooms. So you already know. Let's get started. Now, first we're gonna have to chop up this lobster. I'm not gonna bore you with me chopping this up, but you know, get that all sliced up like so. All right, so now we're gonna move over to the prosciutto. All right, so I've sliced it in half. Now I'm gonna be making chunks with mine, okay? Now, you can certainly have this thin slice. That's how it should be. But like I said, I bought it in our deli cooler, and they had it in a chunk, and it was on sale too. So we're gonna cut those up into little chunks like so. All right, and then I'm gonna fry those in the pan. All right, and mix them in. Let's go. Now I've gone ahead, done. I'm gonna mix that in with the lobster and just give it a nice blend. All right. Now you want to make sure you clean your mushrooms. I didn't mention that in the beginning, but make sure you wash and clean your mushrooms. Okay, they're really delicate too, so you got to be kind of gentle with them. All right. So we're gonna mix this lobster and prosciutto and cheddar cheese together. Now, I have to admit, this is my first time making it this way. All right, I'm just using what we have left over. Now, I had some jalapeno peppers too that I needed to cook too, so I'm just gonna add them in here, and we're gonna stuff those too. All right, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of cheese down on the bottom. All right, see, it doesn't hurt. And we're gonna put this nice mixture. It really looks really good. I can't wait. I'm excited. I'm gonna put a little olive oil in there. It seems like I'm missing something. I'm not sure what I'm missing, but I'm missing something. All right. Now, I want to mention, I'm going to be putting these on the grill, okay? Because it's a little hot today, and I can't put them in the oven right now. We're having a little heat spell. And it's about like 80-something degrees. It's 85 or something. It's pretty warm out. So we're going to mix that all up, all right? Okay, so now at this point we're gonna add on some breadcrumbs on the top, and kind of toast it a little bit there, and get started on these jalapeno peppers real quick, and stuff those babies. Now, be careful when you're not using gloves. Don't touch your face, because it will burn your eyes. Okay. Now, all right. Now I've done stuffed jalapeno peppers before. You can also check that out in the appetizer playlist if you like. My appetizers. Now, I got a pork loin wrapped in bacon. Yes, okay. I just needed to add something to this to eat, you know. So that's also going to go onto the grill too. All right, so let's get started. Yeah. See, they've been cooking for a little bit now on the grill. I've also got those mushrooms on there too on the top. All right, and got a little grilled onion there. You see that? Yeah, marvelous. Oh yeah. Damn. We're almost there. Almost there. I know it's supposed to be about the mushrooms. But I'm getting ready to show y'all what happened with that. What happened was my little grandson is helping me barbecue today. He's such a cutie. So look at that tenderloin. Oh, okay. So back to what happened was with the mushrooms was I jacked them up, y'all. I kept them on the grill too long. I got preoccupied doing something and forgot. Damn. All right, well, anyway, I was able to salvage something, so We got the roast, we got the potatoes. We're gonna put a little gravy on top of it. Hey, it happens. Sometimes shit get away from me. And ain't forget, but as you see, I got them on the plate there. They looking pretty ugly. I'm gonna taste it though. They dry and hard too. It happens. So that's how you got to pay attention to your food, y'all. So thanks for watching, y'all. And please consider subscribing and like and leave a comment. All right. Until next time, you guys. Thanks for watching What You Cooking, Roach. Bye bye.